Hey Joshua, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I want to talk about this cool, amazing product right here that I have in my hand. So right here in my hand, as you see, is by the brand ESDDI. And pretty much what this is, it is a softbox lighting that you can use for photography or videography. Pretty much makes your lighting a lot better. So kind of think about using my ring light, but even better than that, and much brighter. So first thing first, let me actually unbox and show you guys what comes out the package first before we talk more about it. So I'm actually gonna walk away because you won't be able to see much of the products if I do like this. So I'm actually gonna do it on the floor and so you guys can get a better view. Alright, so we're gonna do the unboxing of what is in this part right here for the softbox. Two are the tripods, and then right here are the little attachment for the extender for the light softbox itself. So these two are the softbox right here, and then these two are the tripods that they provide you here. And then here are the two light bulbs that they provide you. And then inside both of these is a little cloth to kind of put on top of the light bulb or softbox itself, so that way you can reflect the light much better and looks a lot better when you guys use it. So essentially that's pretty much it. Two light bulbs here, user manual, instruction guide, and the thank you cards, two tripods here, and then these two accessories of the softbox itself. So basically when you guys have the tripod here, all you have to do is twist these little knobs to kind of like adjust it. So if I twist this one here, it should drop. And you guys can lock it back in place for that part. And then for the next one right here, you guys want to twist this to loosen it. Loosen it up a little bit, and you guys can lock that part in like this. Loosen a little bit more, and you should be able to bring this back up. And when you guys are done, it should come back in place like that, and make sure to lock it so that way you can reuse it next time and it will fit in your bag for storage. So essentially that's it. So there's the tripod right here, and then here is the softbox light right there, and that's pretty much it. So we have the product all set up right now. As you can see, this is what the product looks like. So this is a tripod of how high you can bring it up to if you guys want to. So you can see right here, this is the little logo. Then there's a cable that comes with it that you guys can actually plug in and then turn off and on, which I'll show you guys how bright you can get in a second. So, but let me turn this around so it's facing you guys so you can see what the front looks like. So basically this was what the front side would look like. It's like a big box of white, but when you guys turn it on, it's like a really strong, powerful light. And then let me remove this part to show you guys what comes inside the light bulb and everything. So basically the inside is what it looks like. So when you guys put on the light bulb right here, you guys want to make sure it's screwed all the way in, so that way this whole part can expand to its fullest, because if you don't, then you guys won't be able to have the full perfect lighting when you guys are using this to take pictures or do videos. So I'm actually gonna put this Velcro part back on and then turn it on and show you guys how bright the light can get and what's the difference it can make when you guys are using the product. So I'm gonna turn it on right now to show you guys what it looks like. So essentially this is what it looks like when you guys turn it on. It actually brightens up the room and everything really nicely. If you guys can see the lighting right there of the light bulb, and it reflects through the whole entire white. So if I would move this down to the floor, let me show you guys how bright it can get. So let's say if the lighting was right there and I want to take a picture of this slippery or something right here, then I just have to have one or two of these, and then you guys can take a huge difference of a photography, and it actually looks like it's natural lighting when you guys are using the softbox to take pictures and whatnot. So just by itself, you guys can see it actually makes the shoe itself look really nice, really clear, and shows every detail, even the background of the floor and whatnot, which is really dirty and you guys don't want to see that. But you guys can see that the product does work and actually works quite well, which is really cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw the unboxing and the test of the product, you guys can see that actually does work and actually works quite well. When you guys use the product, actually will make a huge difference. And what's cool about this is the fact that it gives you two different softbox. If you guys noticed, when I was doing the unboxing, you guys can see that there's enough accessory for two setups. So you have the 2 light bulbs, you have the 2 tripods, you guys have 2 of the softbox itself. And then if you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I actually reviewed a lot of products that's by ESDDI. This one is one of them. I use my ring light that's by them. I use the LED light, the little square thing by them. I believe I did like a flash speed light as well. There are just so many different products that I use from ESDDI because their products are high quality, really good quality, and really affordable as well. They literally provide you everything that you probably need for every accessory or tool that you need to take videos or do photos. One situation that I actually deal with is the LED light. So you guys remember I had like a square LED light. If you guys wanted to buy like the battery and stuff, they don't provide you the battery. And if you guys want the battery, you guys have to actually buy the battery on the side in order for you to use it like wirelessly. So essentially that's just kind of dumb and kind of like you have to spend more money than you actually need to. Whereas like ESDDI, when I bought the package for that product, it came with the actual product itself, came with the wire to charge the product, and it came with a charger for the battery itself. And it's actually around the same price range that you had to pay for just the product itself by other companies. So that's why I really like about ESDDI. But let's get back on topic to the softbox. So for this softbox in general, after seeing the test and unboxing and everything, would I say that this product is worth it or not for $80? For me, honestly, I have to say that for $80, you're basically paying for 2 setups. So if you guys actually think about it, it's actually $40 for each setup. So for that price range, I would have to say that it's actually worth it if you guys plan on using it. But if you guys don't plan on using it or don't need this in general, then obviously don't buy it, because why buy something you guys aren't going to use or need in the future or present. But if you guys are trying to look for a really good setup for photography or videography, then definitely get one of these and invest in one of these so it can actually improve your lighting and your quality of your videos and pictures, especially for people who are like food bloggers or YouTubers and whatnot. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have